Hello, you absolute legends. Once you have the format of the rice table set up, you'll use the information from the rice table to solve for capital K or for the equilibrium concentrations, the E lines. This is the E line right here. R is for reaction, the balanced chemical reaction. I is for the initial molarities. You're probably going to be given these at some point, told what they are or told that they're zero. The change line you have to deduce with logic and reason. If the reactants are high and the products are at zero, there's only one direction for this reaction to go, to the right, and this is going to go up. So I'll put a plus sign. It's going to go up based on the balanced chemical reaction, and it's going to go up some amount x. So every change line has three symbols. You have to deduce balanced chemical reaction never changes. If the products are going up, then the reactants are going down based on the balanced chemical reaction and x of some value. Now, x is never your final answer. You're either going to be solving for K or for the values in the E line. Now, a formula that can go in the E line is reading the rice table vertically like Japanese. 1.5 moles per liter minus 2x. (1.5 moles per liter minus 1x, and 0 plus 2x right here. This is how we fill in the E line. I'm going to use some colors boxes, and the colors are helping you to remember what is a product and what is a reactant. Products I'll box in purple, and reactants I'll box in red. In the capital K expression, products go in the numerator, reactants go in the denominator. So imagine that purple box being picked up like an index card and being placed right there, and I simplified 0 plus 2x to just be 2x because the product has squared in here. I put that back in there. And then my red terms, 1.5 moles per liter minus 2x, 1.5 moles per liter minus 1x. This term is going to be squared. We have this set up right here. Now, if you are given the value for K, you're probably not going to be asked to solve for it because you're given it. So if you're given the value of K, if you're given for K, you're not going to be asked to solve it. You're going to be asked to solve for the E lines, the equilibrium concentrations. So we plug in what we're looking for. If we know the value of K, and we know these terms in here, we can solve for this. We use an approximation that makes the math infinitely simpler. In the denominator, we drop the terms that contain an x value. This is for physical reasonings based on our K value and the selection of homework problems I've chosen for my course here. Once this x term is dropped, it's much easier to simple right here. And you can solve for x because you know this number and these things, you can isolate x and solve for it. But remember, x is never your final answer. Once you know x, you're going to plug them back into here. 1.5 minus 2x, whatever x is, that's going to be a real number. You can bibbidi-bobbidi-boo, and so on and so forth. I hope this helps. Thank you.